Hello, I'm Nikki Burton. I'm the owner and founder of Calypso Cards. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Our focus is on contemporary art and humor, and our mission is to give voice and style to everyone's desire to connect. Calypso is the umbrella for several brands. Some we publish ourselves, such as Cart, which is our own collection of artists from around the world, and Curly Girl Design. Others we distribute include Lagom, Louise Tyler and Rosie Made a Thing from the UK, and J&M Martinez. Everything is printed in the US or the UK, and we take the environment into consideration with our print and paper choices. Our main humour line is Rosie Made a Thing, which has produced many of our current bestsellers. Speaking of bestsellers, I'd like to show you this line, which focuses on the outdoors and adventure and is embellished with this really vibrant gold foil. Biking is one of our top sellers from our current release. Although humour sells well, our sympathy cards are worthy of note. They tend to be understated in terms of art and text. In fact, the artwork is not usually designed as a sympathy card, but rather it's a piece of art that we come across that lends itself to the occasion. In fact, this is often the case with our artwork, although some is designed specifically as a card. Sympathy cards have been always amongst our bestsellers. While each range and artist has its own personality and each brand can stand alone in a display, the look overall is cohesive, and our use of colour both in the artwork and the colour coordinated envelopes makes the collection really stand out. The line has a strong feminine appeal, but we also have many cards for men. We have a network of the best reps in the country who can provide personal service, keep you abreast of promotions, and provide product and territory knowledge. Everything is fully catalogued. Our website, calypsocards.com, is easy to shop and navigate. Thank you so much for watching.